Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got the essentials ready: a charged Apple Watch and your iPhone with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Once done, open the Apple Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Make sure both devices are close together and the watch screen shows the pairing animation. This creates the secure link. If you see a manual setup option, choose Automatic for quicker results. Keep your iPhone unlocked and follow the on-screen alignment until the camera recognizes the watch face and confirms the connection. Once paired, you'll configure the important middle steps. Pick Setup as New Watch or Restore from Backup to bring existing data. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to enable Apple Pay, Activity, and iCloud syncing. This is why the watch needs that account. Make a passcode and enable wrist detection for security and accurate health tracking. Then, select which iPhone apps to install now versus later. This controls storage and battery behavior, so make choices that match how you'll use the watch. Finish by allowing the watch to fully sync. This may take 10 to 30 minutes depending on data size. Then personalize watch faces, complications, and notification shortcuts. Make sure health and activity data appear and that Apple Pay cards are set up if you enabled them. If something goes wrong, first restart the watch and iPhone and try again. If pairing still fails, unpair from the watch app, which creates a backup, reset the watch to factory, and pair again. The reset often clears stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.